fine.
What mistake do you generally make?
Like I can't listen anyone easily. Like because I'm the owner of myself. The thing I use, the thing I receive from any, the thing I receive from anyone, I generally can't accept, and I believe in self worth. That's all.
What would you rate yourself out of 10?
Like 5 to 6.
By 5 to 6.
Like as so many people says about me that sometime I used to do fight, and sometime I also did so many bad works like fighting with others, and unnecessarily talking, so these type of things.
So, what is the weirdest thing you have ever done?
Not like the thing which I did is for only for one purpose, that I want to make my family and my friend happy and like proud on myself.
What is the definition of one ideal student?
Like the student who can't disrespect his teacher, and always like do that thing which his or her teachers will say to him or her.
What is the best way a person can spend his time?
Like in now generation, the people don't have time for their parents and for family. They just only ran in the back of money for grabbing much money. So uh, we just have to spend our time with family or friends.
What is the best moment of your family? With your family?
Like there is one wedding in my family. So on that time when we all are together. So on that time we have did so much fun.
What are the three things you can't live without?
Like my friend, family, and the thing is like phone.
What are the three things you want to change in your current life? And why?
The first thing is like fighting, because nowadays I'm more indulged in fighting. Like whenever my friends say like I have fight with that people, so I generally said we just have to go and beat him or her. Like if she is girl, so we said to our teachers, but the more intention is like the thing which he did, they just have to get punishment for it. So the first thing is like is this, and the second thing is like uh, generally I did fight with my mother on the topic of like sleeping and studying. So I just wants to come away from this type of thing. Like my mother can't save me about this type of thing. I just only did this type of thing from myself. So this.
If you could travel time, where want you visit? Like in past or in future?
Like in past.
Why? What is the reason for?
Because I have lost my two loved ones. First is my grandmother, and the second one is my Mausaji, my uncle. My family, whenever I visit my aunt house, so my aunt generally said me like, if your uncle is here, so he will definitely hug you, and he loved me so much when I was small. So I just wants to take all the things with myself.
What makes a good life?
Like the happiness makes the good life.
What's the definition of true happiness according to you or in your views?
Like the thing which by getting the thing or feeling, when you think like this is sufficient for me, I didn't want anything up to it or less to it, so this is happiness.
How often do you feel happy? Do you feel happy all the time, or once in a week, or monthly, or yearly?
No sir, every time.
Every time.
Yes.
Have you ever been the reason of somebody's happiness?
Like
Have you ever become the reason of somebody's happiness?
think so. I don't remember this type of thing.
Have you ever had any poor one?
No. but my parents were doing this type of things.
If you could ever do something for your parents in return, what would you like to do for them?
Like I just want to give them the thing which he wants to give me, like a better place for living, and whenever they says me anything that dear, I want this thing and I want to go that place, so on hand to hand I will do that type of thing. I just want to fulfill the all the things for my parents.
What are you most proud of?
uh, like being a child of my parents.
What is the thing that you are famous for in your friends?
Like in managing money. Yes.
Do you save money?
Yes. Generally I don't have money, but the money which my friend have, I used to keep, like sometime I do the work of accountant of them. Like if we are going anywhere else, so this type of this amount we just have to pay it on food and this type for traveling. So I just do this type of thing.
Do you think we live only once?
Not like the as so many elders say, like there are so many stages of life, and we can't say like there is
Almost 7 births.
yes.
Do you believe in rebirth?
Yes, I will.
Has somebody told you or you have experienced yourself?
No, generally we see from like television, and there are so many stories which our parents tell us, and the interesting thing which I want to tell, like one time in my village there was one old person who used to die, and after 1 month the
It
the
became
woman
alive.
the woman is pregnant, and there was one she birthed a boy. So on that time the whole village say like the grandfather will came back. So this type of thing.
Grandfather has come again.
Yes.
How different was your life 1 year ago from now?
Good question.
Not like there is all thing is similar, but the one thing is like now I'm in 10th, so there was like pressure on me, or you just said like it's the thing which I get now, that I used to study hard.
Well then, let's go ahead. Yes, next. Come beta.